Holding back a sneeze. You are in the class, it's dead quiet. Suddenly, bam, you feel a massive sneeze coming. Not wanting to embarrass yourself, you pinch your nose. You want to be a stealthy sneeze ninja. But, instead of a silent sneeze, you almost blow your head off. Your ears pop, your eyes water, and your brain feels like it just left your skull. But hey, at least no one noticed, right? Here's the hidden danger. Holding it in isn't just uncomfortable. It can literally rupture your eardrums, burst blood vessels, or even damage your throat due to all that built-up pressure. In extreme cases, people have actually ended up in the ER, so just let it out. Embarrassment is temporary, but ruptured eardrums are forever.